Good morning, class 5th students. I hope all of you are fit and healthy at your home. Students, today we are going to continue topic of lesson number 5th, presentation software. Yes, so topic is inserting pictures. Whenever we are creating slides on the PowerPoint presentation, we can also insert pictures. We can add pictures. Yes, any type of pictures we can include. So adding pictures to your document help us to illustrate the information in a better way. It also enhances the appearance of your document. Yes, if we will add picture in our document, then it will help us to clarify the information in a better way. Yes, वो आपको क्लैरिफिकेशन मिलेगी कि ये इंफॉर्मेशन क्या कह रही है अकॉर्डिंग टू द पिक्चर. So it also enhances the appearance of your document. Yes, it will also enhance the look of your document. So how to insert a picture? We have to follow steps. So first number is click on the insert tab. We have to choose insert tab and then select the picture button from the illustrations group. The insert picture dialog box will appear. Yes, insert tab we have to choose and after that we have to select the picture button option from the illustrations group. Then picture dialog box will appear. Select the image. Now we have to select the picture that we want to insert and then we have to click on this insert button. So the selected image will appear in your document. That selected image will add to your document. So format the image by selecting the desired option from the picture style group on the format tab. Yes, after adding the picture according to your requirement, you can change the style of the picture. Yes, using format tab. So next one topic is inserting a chart. Yes, inserting a chart. So what is a chart? It is an effective way to display data in a graphical and pictorial form. Yes, it is the best way to display data in graphical and pictorial form. Yes, in the form of graph and in the form of pictures. So charts make it easier to show comparison growth relationship among the values and trends in data. Charts provide an accurate analysis of the information. Yes, charts will provide accurate, correct analysis of the information. So when we insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window called data sheet. Yes, जब भी हम चार्ट इंसर्ट करेंगे तो हमारा डाटा कौन सी शीट पे डिस्प्ले होगा? इट विल डिस्प्ले इन अ स्पेशल विंडो कॉल्ड डाटा शीट. So how to use chart? Firstly, we have to choose the layout button from the home tab. Yes, and select the title and content layout. So after that, we can add title to the chart and type monthly expenses. This is the title they are giving now. So click on the insert chart icon on the slide. The insert chart dialog box will appear. Select the chart from the left pane and the subtypes of the selected chart will be reflected on the right pane. Yes, after choosing this insert chart icon, dialog box will open. After that, we can choose any chart. So select the clustered column chart under the column section and click OK. This is optional. Yes, you can leave also. So the chart will display with the data sheet that contain the default data and then you can replace the default data with your own data. Yes, हम अपना खुद का डेटा भी इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. To delete all the data from the data sheet, move the mouse pointer to the blank button. Yes, if we want to remove or delete this existing data, then we have to choose this option. Yes, left side we will see blank button is there. We can choose this button. So the mouse pointer changes into a large plus sign symbol of white color. Click on the button and entire sheet will be selected and press the delete key. Yes, after pressing this button, our mouse pointer will change into plus sign, white color plus sign, and then we have to choose the delete key. So all data will be deleted. So click the cell beneath column B, that is B1, and type gen. Yes, that means according to our requirement we can add the text. So here they are starting the text from B1, means this call. Yes, this one. B1 means here what is written? Jan is written. So meaning to say here that we, according to our requirement, we can add any type of information. So they are typing in B1 column Jan, after that February in the next, March in the next, and after that they are pressing enter key. Then click the cell adjacent to the row second header, that is A2. Yes, A2 section we have to choose A2. So what they are typing here now in the A2? They are typing food, water bill in the next, type rent in the next column and electricity bill in the next column. Yes, according to our requirement we can type any values, and according to that values our chart will display. So to close the data sheet, click on the close button on the title bar of the data sheet. If we want to close this data sheet, then we have to choose the close button from the title bar. Yes, so next is formatting a chart. How to format a chart? Yes, formatting improve the appearance of a chart. Appearance means look. Formatting से क्या होगा, आपकी जो चार्ट की लुक है वो improve होगी. So how we can improve? We can change the font color, line color, width, border style, legend, data series. Yes. So there are 3 options in the ribbon: design, layout and format. These we can use according to our requirement. Yes. So modifying the chart layout. How to modify the chart layout? उसकी appearance को कैसे change करना है? So firstly select the chart and click on the design tab. Yes, firstly we will select the chart whose design we want to change. Yes, whose layout we want to change. Then click on the more drop down arrow to see all the available chart layout options in the chart layout group. Yes, inside the chart layout group we can see so many options, so many charts are there. Yes, so according to our need we can choose any. So select any chart layout according to the need. So next is changing background colors and patterns. How to change background of the chart, its color and its pattern. Yes, firstly we have to right click on the plot area of the chart. Yes, जहाँ पे भी चार्ट बना है हमने उसके ऊपर क्या करना है, उस प्लॉट एरिया पे राइट क्लिक करना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट द फॉर्मेट प्लॉट एरिया ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द कंटेक्स्ट मेन्यू वी हैव टू चूज. The format plot area dialog box will open. Then we have to select the border style, border color, shadow effect according to your choice. Yes, this one box will open. From here we can choose any color, border style, border color, shadow effect, 3D format effect. So if we want to close this option, if we want to close this dialog box, then we can choose this close button. So next is rearranging slides in a slide sorter view. How to rearrange slides? Yes, for example, we have made 6 slides already. Yes, 6 slides we have already made, and now we want to change the arrangement of these slides. For example, if first slide is here, but I want to change its position from first to 6th number, and if third number slide is here, I want to change its position from third to 5th one slide. Yes, so how I can rearrange these slides? So firstly click on the slide sorter view button on the view tab. Yes, on the view tab you will see slide sorter button is there. Yes, you can see here is a slide sorter option. This is a slide sorter option. This one option you have to choose. So select the slide that you want to move. Now we have to select the slide whose position we want to change. So drag the selected slide to a new location. A vertical bar appears next to the dragged slide. After that, after selecting the slide, yes, we have to drag that slide to the new location. And whenever we will drag the selected slide, we will see a vertical bar. This is vertical bar appears next to the dragged slide. Yes, a vertical bar will appear next to the dragged slide. Whenever we will change the position, then a vertical bar will appear. It will indicate us its position we have changed now. Yes, so now students, lesson number 5th, its reading we have done now. Yes, so now line by line you can take reading. Yes, and if you will get any doubt in any word or sentence, you may ask in the Zoom class. So take care students, have a nice day, goodbye.